the queen of selling Girl Scout cookies. I would like to thank you for all the support and buying of the cookies. I was worried I would have to eat them all on my own, but I now see that that is probably not going to happen. And now the moment that you've all been waiting for. The award for the best Girl Scout cat actor goes to, I needed to lick myself real fast, my apologies, Copper Top, Tennessee, Clemson Schaefer.
Oh, well, gosh, I wasn't expecting this award. I'd like to thank everyone who helped make this possible, everyone who viewed the video, everyone who bought the cookies, all the lions out there. I'd like to thank you all for helping make this moment special and make it happen. Thank you. Keep buying more cookies. Thank you.
Thank you very much for all your support, donations, and the buying of the cookies, of course. We are halfway to our goal, as you may have heard from this little ninny. I'm very happy that you guys support me. Some of you have been here for years, and that really means a lot. Some of you may have seen me go through this journey from being a little Daisy to becoming a cadet. And I'm excited for what comes in the future. Thank you so much.